Thousands of people in Klang Valley were affected by the water supply cuts after 2 water treatment plants were shut down due to the detection of pollution in Sungai Semenyih barely after a month after the previous incident has raised widespread public anger. More than 300,000 people in Selangor had insufficient water supply caused by chemical effluents that discharged into a drain that flowed into a river which supplies raw water to the civilians.
In March 2019, toxic chemical waste was thrown illegally by a tire recycling factory into Kim Kim River, which flows through the industrial region of Pasir Gudang, Johor. Water pollution caused by illegal chemical dumping released toxic gases such as methane and benzene, causing more than 4,000 people, predominantly school children, to experience respiratory issues, nausea, and vomiting.
A former sand mining pool next to a main water source for Kedah and Penang is now filled with e-waste. The 3-acre mining pool at Kampung Belida near Kuala Ketil was a popular fishing ground for anglers, but now topped with rubbish. Just meters away is Sungai Muda, which supplies water for over 50,000 paddy farmers, as well as the main source of water for Kedah and Penang. The waste comprised mostly electronic parts, such as computer chipboards, as well as municipal waste from abroad.
Now, for solid waste, one of the current issues happening is the high demand of bubble tea. The high demand of bubble tea has led to a significant increase in the production of plastic waste. Plastic waste has led to various environmental impacts such as abiotic resource depletion, global warming potential, acidification, eutrophication, and human toxicity.
Next, for solid waste, one of the current issue is about food waste. Municipal solid waste generated daily in Malaysia range from 0.8 until 0.9 kg per household in general and about 1.62 kg per household in densely populated cities such as Kuala Lumpur, with food waste constituting approximately 60% of the total solid waste. The problem statement of this current issue is the high amount of food waste generated is the main cause to most issues related to landfills such as food odors, toxic leachate, emission of greenhouse gases, and vermin infestation.
Water treatment plant or wastewater treatment is the removal of impurities from wastewater of sewage before it reaches aquifers or rivers or lakes. Based on the current issues that we have, water treatment plant can only resume operation after odor had been removed.
Next, a routine environmental monitoring program should be implemented as part of the chemical incident management system for situations involving large-scale chemical exposures.
One of the mitigation measures for solid waste pollution is enforcing stringent regulations on plastic littering, collection, and sorting of plastic waste by vendors, as well as controlling air emissions from incinerators. Another mitigation measures for solid waste pollution is allocate more plastic waste bins around bubble tea streets to provide convenience to customers for disposing of the plastic cups after consumption of bubble milk tea.
Next, mitigation measure for solid waste is the producing energy products from food waste, such as the food waste turned into electricity, as shown as in this video. We also can produce other substances from food waste such as cooking gas, biofuel, and others.
Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). Goals 6. Clean water and sanitation to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Goals 13. Climate action. Take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. Goals 14. Life below water. To conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resource for sustainable development. Goals 15. Life on land. To protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, and halt and reserve land degradation and halt biodiversity loss.